celebrate you. And I'll just put a couple candles on, like that. And we'll sing a new birthday song. Happy birthday, dear friend, we sing to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. We thought we'd try to tell you how we love you on your birthday. We thought we'd try to sing and dance and play today. We wanted to surprise you on your birthday and say, we love you every day, not just today. Happy birthday, dear friend, we sing to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.